Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. Yes, this is Napoleon Macro speaking. Yeah. And today we'll be discussing NEO. Okay. We're going to go over a few levels. This will likely have a bearish tone. Okay. I want everyone to be prepared and understand. Hopefully the thumbnail suggests that NEO has about 72 hours. Okay, we're not going to do the poop emojis anymore. If you're just stopping and welcome, we did some disrespecting on NEO, but we're not doing that anymore. We're going to keep it professional because I do respect NEO more than I respect, the critics. Okay, so we're going to keep it professional and go over a potential bearish case scenario on NEO. My long-term investors, please skip this. Okay, but I'm going to entertain the fact that NEO could be under a little bit more pressure. But it does have 72 hours to get above a specific level. So, loyal subscribers, welcome back to YouTube. Algorithm is picking up on the channel due to your engagement, your appropriate thumbs and comments. Thank you for your support. So let's go ahead and see what we have here on the charts. So let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's March the 2nd, 2021. And the previous close of NEO is going to be $43.29. It closed down approximately 13% for the day. All right. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. What I want to present to you is this is the last video that we made on NEO. February the 26th, 2021. NEO buyers had 24 hours with the poop emoji. We're not doing that poop emoji anymore, okay? But NEO really does seriously have 72 hours to get back above a specific level. If you can see it there, that's a 200 moving day on the simple moving average. And we're going to go ahead and reveal everything here. So here's a 200 simple moving average. There it is right there. These are the daily candles. Notice that it has closed below this level. Excuse me. This is it, okay? I'm going to give NEO the benefit of the doubt. The only reason why I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt because NEO still has the opportunity to make a bullish counter move, okay? But it cannot take more than 72 hours. I'm not saying this because I want it to move up above a specific level. I'm saying this because the technical data is suggesting that if it does not get back above a specific level, it's going to show more of the signs of weakness. Let me go ahead and reveal what I've put on the chart. Okay, that's it. Real simple. Okay, let's back out. So all of my ladies and gentlemen and my fellow compadres can see this. Okay, this is what I've developed on the chart. What you're looking at overhead, ladies and gentlemen, is a resistance line. This is the only line that's holding NEO back from continuing to thrust to the upside. Okay. It's so animated. Let me tone it down a bit. So this level here, let me just kind of zoom in, guys. You see the 200 moving average. Let me just kind of zoom out, and I want you guys to see this because this 32% means something here, okay? 32%, I don't know if you can see that. 32% right there. And 82%, they mean something. I'm going to go over it and take it easy there, bulls. We've been here before. Let's not go there again, okay? Let's just keep it cordial. Let's get through this, all right? Just let me explain. Hear me out, okay? So the level that NEO needs to get back above within the next 72 hours, I would prefer it to happen tomorrow. I'm not even going to let you guys know where my position is in NEO. I'm not even going to go there, okay? But NEO needs to get back above or at least test and get rejected. Please listen to what I'm saying. Within 24 hours, I would prefer to see NEO go back to and get a test and rejection of $46.60 or a little bit higher. That's fine, okay? Even better if NEO can get back above that level and close above $46.50. Okay, that would be beautiful if NEO can get back above. Because what this does is, let me just erase this, guys, because people just, I don't know, they criticize me, but I'm not worried about that, guys. I know my followers, they listen to me closely and they understand what I'm saying because I'm explaining the story behind price action. Okay. So notice this 200 moving average, okay? It's been pretty significant in the past. We're going to go back in the day, so to speak, so I can explain what everything means. But notice how it has not, throughout this entire bullish run, bull run, whatever you want to call it, it's been going up. Higher highs, higher lows. Beautiful. I mean, thrust and ease, thrust and ease. A lot of investors like really were killing it in this market, taking profits out, getting back in the market. I mean, just killing in the options game and whatever they were doing, right? So, I mean, it went up, and now NEO is back. It tested, it bounced it off the 200 simple moving, and then now it's below, and it has closed a daily candle below this line. I know I'm repetitive. I got to keep saying this because I want everyone to understand what needs to take place. I prefer 24 hours. But I'm going to give NEO 72 hours. I'm going to give this beautiful instrument 72 hours. $46.50. NEO needs to get back above there. At least within 72 hours. Because what is going to happen is if it spends too much time below $46.50, it's just going to continue lower. The sellers are going to try and fulfill their obligation and push this price to the downside. Okay? So if it gets stuck below, expect lower prices. And let's just go ahead and over to kind of back in the day, so to speak, so I can explain what you see down here at these levels. And I'm going to, so first we'll start here with the 32% to the downside. Okay. Now remember, these are daily candles. So notice what happened when NEO got stuck below this 200 simple moving average. Okay. Notice these two daily candles. You see how it broke below, okay, on this March 16, 2020. It closed below. Another red candle closed below. So it got two resistance at this 200 moving, and then it went down. A total of 32%. So this is the first level that we're going to go back over to where we came from the present day and measure down 32% as a potential case scenario that could play out in the NEO market. Okay, 32% more to the downside. Okay, after closing below the 200 moving average. So let's just erase that. Now here's the part where the bulls are probably going to really say some really nasty stuff in the comment section, but I'm okay with that. I'm ready for that, guys. Okay, so the first time NEO closed below this 200 moving average, right? It closed a successful candle below it, and then another candle, and then 72 hours it's spent below this level, this 200 moving average. Let me just back out so you can see what happened. Very large move to the downside. Okay. Now this is actually a little bit different because if you notice, here's the difference between this area here. Let me just circle it so we're all on the same page. Guys, this isn't like a video saying that NEO is going to go like significantly down. I'm just pointing out what happens when the daily candles get below and stay below the 200 moving average. Okay, so that's all this video is about. This isn't saying NEO is going down significantly because NEO still has the opportunity to get back above. But let's just entertain this for a second. Now, the difference between this area that I just circled, remember, this is back in the day, so to speak, September the 18th or September the 12th, 2018, when NEO started out like at about $6 and it went all the way up to $13.79 approximately. So this entire range here, the reason that I'm specifying that this is different to what's going on present day, excuse me, because you guys know what we look for. Higher highs and higher lows to be in an uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows to be in a downtrend. If you're looking on this at the screen here, you'll notice that I'm illustrating what's going on in the price action. And if you notice, as the NEO price went up here, this is a lower high. So this means NEO was not in an uptrend when it went down. 83% when getting stuck below the 200 simple moving average. Stick with me here. It makes sense, okay? So that's the reason why this 83% down is probably not going to happen. I'm not even sure why I'm entertaining this fact, because NEO was in a downtrend after the initial offering or the public offering for the stocks or whatever. It went down a total of 83% after getting stuck below, again, this white line, which is the 200 simple moving average. Please stick with me here, guys. I know some may say this is useful information. That's fine, guys. It's very powerful if you just have an open mind. So this 83% to the downside, we're also going to explain, or we're going to entertain that fact, which is probably useless, guys. I'm just going to do it anyway because the price just closed below the 200 moving. So let's just go ahead and scoot on over to present day and just get this over with, so to speak. Because I just want to show you all 32% to the downside and then 83% to the downside. Okay. Again, NEO bulls. I'm not saying that 83% is going to happen, but I do think that it's possible for NEO to move down 83%. So let's go ahead and start from this level here. We're going to start it from the actual line, the 200 moving average, which is at like 46.50. We've already gone over that. So let's just say that NEO moves down 32% to the downside. Okay. That's going to bring the price at approximately $31.37 right there. Okay, that's a possibility. I think that's a practical play. I mean, it's obviously NEO can turn around tomorrow and move to the upside. That's a possibility. Obviously, the bulls want to see that because I know a lot of people are long and bullish on NEO. I'm currently not bullish on NEO. I'll just say that. Okay. So that's if NEO is going to move. If history repeats, and as NEO, let's just go back to make sure we're comparing apples to apples, because the reason that I think this 32% move to the downside is probably much more practical, because remember what we look for, okay? Starting out here at October the 3rd, 2019, remember what we look for: higher highs, higher lows. Here we go. Up, down, higher low, up, higher high, higher low. You see it. It was walking up the stairs. So it was in a beautiful uptrend. Right? Hopefully you all can agree with that. Let me know down in the comment section. Leave like a prayer hand or something saying that, yeah, you're right. It was in an uptrend. And then when it broke below that 200 moving average, it got stuck below for at least 48 hours. Okay. What happened on that? What happened on that third candle? 1, 2. These are daily candles. 48 hours. What happened? Boom. It dropped down, initiating the lowest point. Okay. And that equaled out to 32%. I think this is practical. I think this is much more practical than the 83%. So we can actually erase that. Forget about that 83% to the downside. It was in a downtrend when it went down 83% when it got down below the 200 simple moving average. But when it went down below the simple moving average here, it wasn't an uptrend. NEO is currently within an uptrend. Okay, so if it were to go down 32%, I think that would be perfectly in line with what has taken place in the past. Be open to that. Execute your strategies. Okay. Know how much you're going to risk before you hit the buy button. Know where you're going to take a stop loss, okay, in case the market goes against you, and know where you're going to take profits. That's what I mean when I say execute your strategies, okay? So I think this is interesting. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Hopefully this video isn't coming off as cocky, guys. I speak this way, and I truly think that according to the data that we went over, we said that if NEO isn't above 45.71, I think it says in 5 days by March the 3rd or the 2nd or something like that, and it is perfectly going along with what we've already said. NEO is below 45.71. It truly needs to get back above this level tomorrow. I know the thumbnail probably suggests 72 hours. No. Tomorrow. You should do it. Okay, NEO Bulls? Hopefully we're all on the same page. And we're going to go ahead and close it out here. Leaving the program. I think I did a lot better in this video in terms of my cockiness. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Hopefully this was a little bit more pleasant to stomach as the technicals. I think it makes sense. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. So hopefully we're all on the same page what NEO needs to do within the next 24 hours. I know it says 72, but 24 hours, honestly. It needs to do it within 24 hours or else. All right. So we're going to cut it out here. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. And leave a comment. Let me know if this is a little bit better to stomach in terms of me being all cocky. I'm going to work on that, guys. All right. Let's see here. Also, before you go, if you're new, we also cover the alternative markets. I'm not sure if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, but we do cover that throughout the week. So we'd love for you to subscribe with us and join us on this interesting, intense journey at times. So welcome to the charts here, and I'll personally welcome you to the charts. Just let me know you just subscribe down in the comment section. It is Napoleon Macro. We're going to go ahead and cut it out here. Thank you for your time, and be sure to execute your strategies out there, okay? So we're going to talk soon, and bye for now, guys.